In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a campaign as a template using Mailchimp. This tutorial will take approximately 5 minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be equipped to reuse your favorite email designs effortlessly in future campaigns. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the campaigns section. This is where all your email campaigns, whether they're in progress or completed, are housed. It's an essential hub for managing your marketing emails. Next, you'll want to either open up an existing email campaign or start fresh by creating a new one. Perhaps you have a campaign whose design you absolutely adore and want to use again, or maybe you're inspired to craft something entirely new. Either way, Mailchimp makes this process incredibly flexible. Once you're in the email builder, this is where your creativity can really shine. Whether you're tweaking a current design or innovating from scratch, take your time to ensure that your email looks exactly how you envision. This should represent your brand effectively, so feel free to explore different sections like text, images, and even dynamic content to engage your audience thoroughly. After you're satisfied with the design of your email, our next step is to save this campaign as a template. If you're using the regular email builder, simply look for the option that says Save as Template. This might be at the top of your window, or possibly nestled within a drop-down menu depending on your version of Mailchimp. For those using the classic builder, here's a quick note. You'll want to click on the drop-down button and then select the option Save as Template from there. Now, an important aspect of saving your template is giving it a name that you will remember. You'll want something descriptive yet succinct so you can locate it swiftly in the future. Good naming conventions might include themes, dates, or the specific campaigns they were initially used for. This seemingly minor step can save you a lot of hassle later on. Finally, once you've named your template, click Save, and that's it. Your email design is now saved as a template within Mailchimp, perfectly poised for future use whenever you need it. In just a few steps, you've transformed your email design into a reusable asset, streamlining your future marketing efforts and ensuring brand consistency. Explore these templates when you next have an email to send and watch as they become an integral part of how you efficiently manage your campaigns. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial and happy emailing.